This tutorial shows how to solve a number of problems leading to incomplete connections to Wi-Fi, and in particular to mobile hotspots. A fair amount of Mac users have encountered long-lasting Wi-Fi connection issues, whether it's a dropping connection, a refusal to reconnect after waking from sleep, or any other number of oddities pertaining to wireless networking. Often these connection problems can be resolved with renewing a DHCP lease, but sometimes things are more difficult, and a wireless connection will continue to drop, refuse to connect to the internet, or throw unusual connection errors. If you find yourself struggling with persistent Wi-Fi problems, try to delete some of the more delicate system files. Please turn Wi-Fi completely off. From the Finder, hit Command+Shift+G. Enter the following path. Sort by date in order to get the relevant files more quickly. Select the following files, copy them for a backup, and delete them. Optionally, empty the trash. Reboot the Mac. Turn Wi-Fi back on, join your preferred network, and wait until the connection has settled. Now, your networking should have come back perfectly working.